This one is one of the lesser known Cissus. It's called Cissus adnatum, I think, if I'm not mistaken. And it has a typical that flower shape of the Cissus family. Then berries also form. It feeds some birds and all. Lot of berries. Then flowers. These leaves are quite pretty, heart shaped, and can see some small thorny structures on the sides. And the color and shade and all is very nice. And these tendrils and all are red. Then it's a nice climber, though I didn't succeed in growing it so far. It's good for a larger. I mean, I had to try it out. It's worth checking out. Probably it can be climbed on to some balcony and then one special feature about this plant is that in the those stems get a kind of a ashy kind of color. I think towards the end of the season when it dries up a bit, this part becomes a bit ashy. You can see already it's got some little, that shade is that light ashy type of look is come. Yes, it's there already. That's one feature. Apart from this, it's useful for the flowers, and I think it hosts some butterfly and all also. Nice plant. It's mostly in the edge of this forested places, edge of forest and all, because I think it likes some little bit of some hours of sunlight.